I'm at Walmart right now and there's so many new home decor items that you're not gonna believe. This is hands down my favorite aisle here at Walmart. This is their home decor aisle. I always come here to find the new items. You guys, these lamps are giving so high end. Look at this little dog lamp. It's so cute. Now I will say it is pricey. You're gonna spend right under $50 for this, but I do think it looks very high end. This is another lamp right here. This little brown lamp would be perfect sitting in your kitchen. This one's right under $30, but you have that scallop lampshade and a really pretty base. My Texas House came out with some new rugs that are priced at $13 for your front porch. Now this rug is great for layering, so you could put this inside or outside. This is probably the best deal I've seen on pillows in a while. You can get this bolster pillow that's fairly big for under $10. Now on my last shopping trip, I showed you guys a few new prints they have out here. Like this smaller one is great. I got this one, styled it in my home. And then they also had this print the last time I was here. This one looks new though. We could totally DIY this and do it ourselves, but for $7, if you want something ready to go, this is a great option. I recently bought this box and I love how it looks in my home decor. It's super functional, but I just love the scallop detail and the dark wood. Walmart is stepping up their game when it comes to the ottomans. Now, typically you only find these online, but my store has some of these right now. This one right here, you guys, is $77, and it's the perfect little ottoman to put in a bathroom. You could also put it at the end of your bed. These are great. Or another good option would be this one down here. And what I love about this Sherpa organizer is it has storage in it as well. Now at my Walmart, they have these little end caps here, and I just spotted this faux suede pillow. Really cute. On the back, you get like this cream color, but I love the size of it. You guys are not gonna believe all of the good Easter decor that My Texas House came out with. This right here is so adorable. This little bow Easter egg. Now, I think they had the same one in a larger size. I'll put a screenshot, but my store does not have it. They only have the small. She also has this gorgeous wreath up here in the pink colors. These little gold bunnies are right under $5. I found a set of 3 on Amazon that I'm gonna link for you as well that you could get. Those are around $20. So if you can find these, they're gonna be less expensive. We need a new centerpiece for spring. I'm gonna start with this. I got this at IKEA. It's a really long tray, and I think it works perfectly on a rectangular table. The other cool thing I like is because it's long, I can do several layers of decor. So I'm gonna start with a vase on one side. I'm gonna add in some of my favorite peonies. These are white and they're from Amazon. I've also bought them before in blue, pink. They're absolutely gorgeous and super full. If you want a lot of flower for your dollar, this is a good option. Of course, we need to add some books over here. I have so many green and blue books. Last year, I did a DIY and we bought a bunch of green and blue books for spring. So I have several options. I recently ordered this touch light from Amazon. I love how you don't have to have it plugged in, so you can add that there. But really, Walmart had a lot of lamp options, so you could really get something that works in your home. This is such a multi-purpose container. I had this sitting out in my living room as a decor piece. So I'm gonna set it here, and then inside I'm gonna add this egg. I bought this a few weeks ago at Dollar Tree, and I did a DIY on it. I think they're around $7, but I just added a little bit of rub and buff to the outside with a foam brush, and I'll place it in the center here. Now I love these little bunnies. You can buy them pretty much anywhere. This is the one that I just picked up at Walmart. It's $5, but I also found this set on Amazon. There's like 3 different styles of bunnies. Now these are priced around $20. So you'd be cheaper to get this one at Walmart, but if you want a variation in style, you might want to pick up this set. On our last Walmart shopping trip, I showed you several new vases like this one. I still absolutely love this. Check out this one right here. Love the floral detail. This one is priced at $23. I feel like this is one we have to pick up. Now this print right here is $8. I feel like this would look so good with your Easter decor, super high end. My Texas House has a new line of pillows for Easter. How adorable are these? They're around $15. I feel like this fabric bow is gonna fly off the shelves. This is a cute little gingham pink bow. They have it here where you could put it over a doorway. If you're into the pink bows, you could also get this 6-foot pink bow garland. Each one of these packs of ribbon, you get 18 feet and they're around $6. I think I'm gonna get the pink one. If you're looking for a cute little gift, grab one of these little bunny containers for $3.78, add your favorite candy, and it's a perfect little gift. All right, let's fill this up with candy. If you're going to be gifting this, add a ribbon around the center portion. I got this ribbon. Look at these cute little ceramic bunnies. There's a bunch of different styles, and my store right now has quite a few. All right, let's check out this rug. This is priced under $10. You could use it on its own, or it would be great for layering. This green plate, I feel like you could use in a home decor grouping. You could also use it flat, put a little bit of candy on it. If it's possible, I like this pillow more than the last one. This is just so pretty. It just makes me so happy for spring. I would say if I was gonna buy outdoor planters, there's a few big box stores I could buy them from, but your best deal is gonna be here at Walmart. You guys, this year, they have some of the most amazing planters. This one right here, we're gonna get this for my front porch, is $24. These are gonna go so quick. They also have these. These are giving ceramic Pottery Barn vibes. I mean, there's just so many good options this year. These black urns are by My Texas House and they're $24.97. I'm having a really hard time deciding which planter we should get for the front porch. I have these gorgeous olive trees that I just bought off of Amazon, so I'm liking the black urns. I also really like this one by Better Homes and Gardens, or we have this option. Let me know down in the comments which option you would choose, either 1, 2, or 3. Now, if you're shopping along with me right now and you're wondering how you can get to all these products, let me show you. Down in my description box, if you click on the More button, there's going to be a link that says Shop Here. Just click on that link and it will take you directly to all of the Walmart products. Or if you're watching me on your TV right now, you can scan this QR code. That will take you there as well. The Easter stuff is out here at Walmart and it's better than it's ever been. I can't wait to show you. The flocked bunnies are definitely next level this year. They're huge and they come in several colors. They have like an ivory cream, there's also a blue, a pink, and a purple. But these are definitely something we haven't seen before. They have this cute little one that's laying down, and then look at this one, you guys. I really like this one. You could set this out in a grouping. It's adorable. This definitely looks like a DIY that we could do. It's a bunny with flowers all over it. At my store, I'm only seeing one wreath out so far. It's this one right here. It's got these blue hydrangeas and then the little Easter bunnies on it. It's priced right under $25. How adorable is this little container right here? I love the bow detail on the front. You could put flowers in here. It's priced at $7. You guys, there's even more bunnies over here. What do you guys think of these grass bunnies? There's so many different styles. You could even get this one right here with it laying down. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't want Easter decor exploding all over your house, you could get something like this, like a little Easter bunny pick, and put it in an arrangement of flowers. Walmart has these Pottery Barn dupe style baskets right now. They're under $15, but I think a better deal you can get is at Dollar Tree. They have this same basket right now for $7, and it's bigger than these. Of course, there's gonna be several ceramic egg options. They have this one. It actually lights up on the bottom. You can get it in the smaller size, and they have a larger size right here. There's so many eggs to choose from. There's also this one. My store only has one left. So I'm trying to see if these tulips are a good price. Right now they have these mini tulips. They're a pack of 3, priced at $3.78. I actually buy mine in a larger pack off of Amazon for under $20. They may be a comparable price, but these are a bit smaller than the ones I get on Amazon. But the ones they have here come in pink and they also have white. Now, don't overlook these cute little filler containers. I think these are absolutely adorable. They're ceramic. You could get these pastel eggs, put them in there. They'd be so adorable in a grouping. I am so excited that they brought back these jumbo Easter eggs here at Walmart. These are the 16-inch ones. They're $7. These sell out so fast. You can already see my store doesn't have much left. Let's get 2 of these. Let's get some fill. Of course, we need to pick some candy. I will say, if you're wanting these $7 Easter eggs, make sure you pick them up early because I know they're gonna sell out. Let me show you how I'm gonna fill mine up. All right, so we're gonna start with the Walmart fill. For reference, I used 3 bags of the paper crinkle fill. Now I'm gonna load it up with all of the items we just bought at Walmart. I do feel like you can put a good amount of items in these eggs. So now I'm just gonna put the toppers on. Now, if you're looking for these eggs or anything I put in here, I will link to everything I can find down below in the description box, or you can scan the QR code right here if you're watching me right now on your TV. Recently, I redid a small bathroom and I bought this white dish off of Amazon. Well, I wish I would have come here to Walmart first because I found this one that's very similar. It's just a little bit smaller, but this one is right under $12. Now, whenever you're shopping for decor, don't overlook these small dishes like this. These can add such an element to any of your groupings. I'm gonna get this one and show you how I add it into my decor. Now, this tray is actually from Amazon. So this is gonna make a great base to set all of the home decor on. I was so excited about this vase. I feel like you could put any stems in here. These are neutral ones that I got off of Amazon. The next thing I'm gonna do is add some books. These are just thrifted books. These are gonna help me to kind of elevate any decor that I put on there. This little bunny is going to bring in color. Plus, I just think it's so adorable. So I'm gonna add the bunny here. Now with this candy dish that we got, you could set it down here. Now let me show you a few options you could do with this. This would be great as like a base for a candle. You could also put a plant on there. I'm gonna add some candy. I'm also gonna add in this little bronze bunny. These little mini tumblers are so adorable. They're 5 ounces and they have so many fun patterns. These are over in the Easter section at my store. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is egg. A few months ago, Walmart put out their new planters, and I have to say they keep adding new ones. So if you want to see that original video, I will link it for you down below. I do plenty of planter hacks in that video, and I'll also link to all of my favorite planters here at Walmart. The link will be down below in the description box, or you can scan the QR code right here. But since I was here last time, there's a ton of new planters. Let me show you some of my favorites. So one thing I learned the last time I was shopping here is that they put all of the plastic planters up top. They're a little bit more affordable, and then as you go down, these are the ceramic planters. This one is new. I really like it. You can get it for under $5. They also have another one under $5 that I think is really cute. It kind of looks like a planter that I've seen at Dollar Tree before, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I also love this leaf planter. I think it's gorgeous. This was not here the last time we were here. You could get one or both and they'd look perfect together. I would say probably 2 years ago, mushroom decor was so popular, but if you're still into that decor, they have this cute little planter. Now they did have these fun little anthropology dupe ones the last time I was here, but the mushroom one is new to me. Now, the last time we were here, do you guys remember this black and white swirl planter? We got it, we even did a DIY with it. Well, they actually have it in another color down here. Let me show you. They have it in this chocolate brown, and it comes in a larger size. Let me know which one's your favorite. Now, I think these tan ones could be new as well. You guys will have to let me know if you've seen them at your store. And then they also have this shape and style. This is a new shape and style for the Walmart planters, but I haven't seen them in this color. If you like colorful planters, you are in luck this year because I feel like I keep seeing new ones. My favorite right here is this blue one. This is heavy, like this is good quality. It's under $15, but I just love the look of that. The other one that I didn't notice last time, let me show you over here. This is by the Beautiful brand, and it's this kind of like mauve-y pink color. If you come to Walmart and you're discouraged that they don't have the planter you're looking for, keep checking back because the last time I was here, they did not have these larger planters. My store today has 2 of them. These are probably the most viral planters right now. This seashell planter I know is gonna go super fast. It's under $10 and it's so fun and gorgeous. Now, it's really cold in Kansas City, so I typically wouldn't be buying outdoor pillows, but I know how quick they go here at Walmart. My Texas House has put out all of her outdoor pillows. They're right under $15. My absolute favorite one is this one right here, you guys. I feel like this is so cute. This look is definitely in right now. She also has this blue and white gingham one, and they have a solid blue one. If you're looking for something more neutral, you may want to go with this option, although I am a little scared to do a white pillow outside, so I probably wouldn't get this one, but I do like the 2 other beige options they have. Every time I come to Walmart, I have to stop by the beauty section, and this is a blush that I used to wear probably like 5 or 6 years ago. I remember it being a really good one. It's the Milani Luminoso blush. They actually have this color too that I was considering getting, but this is just a great staple blush. Now, you guys know how much I love the Joy Spun pajamas. I won't stop talking about them. The last time I was shopping here with my girls, they bought these little sleep shorts and they absolutely love them. They told me, Mom, if you're shopping at Walmart again, make sure you pick these up. Last time they got this set, so I think I'm gonna pick up these colors. I just love these. These are so cute, but perfect little comfortable sleep shorts. This year, Walmart is really trying to bring up their game with the athleisure items. They have this set right here. It is pricey though. Like the top is $25 and then the bottoms are also $22, so almost $50, but they're trying to do a dupe for the Lululemon scuba sets. Is Walmart really carrying Pretty Gardens? This is a brand I've been buying for years now on Amazon, but it's kind of Amazon prices. This little set right here is $44. It does come with matching shorts, adorable. I love this color, but I think if I was going to get it, I would get it in this green and cream color. This little pleated top is very unique. It comes in white and black. I can't decide if I like it. I feel like this is one I would have to try on. And our 80s mini skirts, they seem to be coming back this summer. Hands down, my favorite place to buy outdoor rugs is here at Walmart. You can get some of the best prices. In years past, I have bought this black and white rug, which is really nice. They also have several rugs by Better Homes and Gardens, but this year, My Texas House has come out with a line of rugs. This one right here looks like an indoor rug. It's 7 foot by 10 foot. It's absolutely gorgeous. I really want to get this one. You guys, look how cute this one is. It actually has tassels on it. Now, I don't know how well those would hold up outside, but it looks absolutely adorable. If you don't have one of these comfort mats at your kitchen sink, I really recommend them. And I love this one by Pioneer Woman. I feel like the design is really cute. They also have these little striped bunnies for $10. They come in a variety of colors. Are we at Anthropologie or Walmart? This section is so fun right now. Now, this isn't really my style, but if you like more of a colorful style, let me show you what you could pick up. The frosted vintage cakes have been so popular lately. They have a little candle and it definitely smells like strawberry cake. This little strawberry vase is absolutely adorable. I also like these. I feel like my girls are gonna love these. They're little soda can vases with cherries on them. They have this fun little touch bubble light. And this style of pillow is all over Walmart today. These little candle holders are definitely something that you would find on Anthropologie's website. Let me know what you're gonna be picking up the next time you shop at Walmart. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.